The cough syrups, linked to child deaths in Africa, a wake-up call for drug regulators. The World Health Organization concluded that Indian companies which supplied cough syrup were linked to the deaths of 66 children in Gambia, Africa. This indicates India's weak regulatory systems. It has mainly occurred due to the history of corruption. These cough syrups are supplied by Delhi-based Maiden Pharmaceuticals, and this incident took place the last week.